Venus Mahadasha and finance. The signification of Venus, it is wealth, money, spouse, materialistic gain, pleasures, comfort, luxury, relationship, love, all are there, the signification of Venus, and all that signification will be flourished in the Mahadasha of Venus or Shukra. Like other Mahadasha, it is divided in 9 Antardasha that will be discussed. And highest length in Venus Mahadasha, it is the 20 years length. In case of Saturn, it is 19 years. In case of Rahu, it is 18 years. In case of Jupiter, it is 16 years. So it is highest length Mahadasha. Now, how it can be analyzed, the Mahadasha? Here 2 points are there. First, how Venus is posited. Its strength in the birth chart. Exalted sign, own sign, or friend sign. Second, from Venus, the 5th house, it gives the energy to that house. And aspect coming to the 7th house. In our example chart, the Venus is placed in the 12th house. So 5th house from 12th house is the 4th house. So Venus will activate the 4th house signification of particular native. Not only that, 7th aspect coming to the 6th house, house of service, house of hard work, house of dedication, house of litigation, that will be also strengthened for particular native during their Mahadasha. We are taking the example of birth chart of Gautam Adani, chairman of Adani Group. He is the 3rd richest man of India and 16th richest man of the world. Why we are adopting the birth chart of Gautam Adani? The Gautam Adani's Venus Mahadasha, Shukra Mahadasha is running from 2010 to 2030. That is 20 years period. That's why we are taking the birth chart of Gautam Adani. Present running Mahadasha. In this case, in the birth chart or during analysis of that, we are analyzing what Venus Mahadasha actually gives. Venus Mahadasha in 9 Antardasha gives different types of effect. Generally, in 9 Mahadasha, those planets are strongly placed in the chart, that Antardasha will be more beneficial than other Mahadasha. In the chart, Venus Mahadasha, total length is 20 years. The native whose birth nakshatra is 2, that means Bharani, or 11, Purva Phalguni, or 20, Purva Ashara. Then their first Mahadasha will be Venus Mahadasha. That is also called Shukra Mahadasha. In our example chart, we are taking the birth chart of Gautam Adani, chairman of Adani Group. Date of birth 24 June 1962. Time of birth 12 p.m. Ahmedabad. Here nakshatra is Purva Bhadrapada. The first Mahadasha is from Jupiter. Then Saturn, Mercury, Ketu. Now Venus Mahadasha is running for Gautam Adani. Venus to be analyzed in the birth chart. Here the Leo ascendant and Aquarius zodiac, that is moon sign or Rasi. Kumbha Rasi, Singha Lagna. Now what is happened in this birth chart? Venus is posited in 12th house. Also in Navangsha Kundali, it is also posited in 12th house. So Venus gets Bhargottam house wise. So Venus is strong here. Venus gives seventh aspect on the sixth house, where Saturn is posited in Capricorn sign. Sixth house is already discussed, dedication, hard working. In this place, Venus aspect is coming. Venus always activate the fifth house from his placement. That means first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Energy transferred to fifth house. That means ascendant to fourth house. Here fourth house is Scorpion sign. So fourth house means fourth house is our property. Fourth house is our comfort, luxury, family happiness, friend circle. So all the significance of fourth house will be activated during the Venus Mahadasha. Now coming to the periods. First period is Venus. It is 2010 to 2013. And it will be last phase Venus Ketu. It is 27 February 2030. Already in case of Gautam Adani, the Venus Sun, Venus Moon, Venus Mars, Venus Rahu and Venus Jupiter crossed. Now Gautam Adani passing through the Venus Saturn Mahadasha. That will be lasted to 27 February 2026. What happens in Venus Mahadasha? His business flourished stepwise. It's gained an energy in 2014. When Moon Mahadasha is coming, Moon makes Gadgesari Jog in 7th house. So Venus Moon Mahadasha is very important. Venus Mahadasha and Moon Antardasha for Gautam Adani. That is up to 27 February 2016. That means, and that time, that means 2014 to 2016, his business is very much flourished. Venus is well placed and Moon is making Gadgesari Jog in the 7th house. After that, it is coming Venus Mars, that is up to 2017. In this period, it is spread, and when it is come to Venus Rahu up to 2020, then it is spread throughout the world. In 2020, he become very much famous. And that after that, Venus Jupiter is coming. Jupiter also makes Gadgesari Jog placed in the 7th house, very strong. So in 2022, he become one of the richest person of the world. Now it is rank is 16th throughout the world and 3 in India. After that, some thinking is there, the Gautam Adani's business may be down, but actually it is not. If Venus Mahadasha, Venus is strong, Saturn is also strong. So up to 27/02/26, his business will be again flourished. It is not stepped down. After that, Venus Mercury, it is up to 28. And last phase is very important, Venus Ketu, 28 to 30. This Ketu makes changes. If in this period, 28 to 30, he makes wise decision, it relates his wisdom in his business or cleverness or intelligence, then when 30 is over, again Sun Mahadasha will come, his business again will be flourished. So this is the bar chart and Mahadasha of Venus of Gautam Adani.